It's 2015, southeastern Brazil. A dam holding back a lake of toxic mining waste has burst. 44 million cubic meters of sludge tore down the hill, straight through the village of Bento Rodrigues. 19 people were swallowed in the mire. Giovanna Rodrigues' little boy, Tiago, was swept away.
When I found out the dam had collapsed, I went straight there and found nothing but mud. I still hoped my son was alive, but after waiting for 7 days and 7 nights, my son never showed up.
Her son's body was found 60 miles downstream. In a record group action, Giovanna is one of 620,000 Brazilians suing mining giant BHP for up to £36 billion. And so begins the biggest mass lawsuit in British legal history. For the victims of the Mariana Dam collapse, this is a chance to hold a part British-owned company to account in the UK for an environmental disaster on the other side of the world. English judges must now apply Brazilian law when deciding whether BHP is liable for damages. The joint parent of the dam operating company, Samarco, it says it had no day-to-day control over its running or knowledge of any risk of collapse. But Giovanna Rodrigues and the other claimants say BHP had a 50% stake in the dam and the polluter must pay.
At least it might hurt their pockets, so that no mother has to be in this position again.
There have been no criminal convictions. For the claimants, suing BHP is a way to hold them answerable. Their lawyer drawing comparisons with the post office scandal as depicted in an ITV drama, which saw some 500 sub-postmasters take the company to court in a mass civil action.
They had a case very similar to this. The judge in that case made a series of damning findings that eventually led to the government intervening, eventually led to the post office inquiry, and now, just now, people starting to receive amounts of money that is suitable in terms of compensation. And so the analogies are incredibly apt. It takes sometimes a civil trial like this one to actually bring accountability.
BHP says its deepest sympathies are with those affected by the Mariana Dam tragedy. But this English trial duplicates and harms an existing compensation process, which has paid out nearly £6 billion to 430,000 people and businesses. But it could have to pay a lot more if this trial rules it is liable in law, although the level of damages would be thrashed out in a separate trial, not scheduled until 2026.